Hello everyone, today I'm doing a video on how to make the Pennywort juice. First of all, this is my Pennywort leaf that I got from the flea market. On Saturday I went to the Mustang flea market and got some Pennywort. So, the process to making the Pennywort juice very easy. First of all, I got a glass of water. Then I'm gonna put all the leaf in the blender. So now, a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna put some more in. Oh, smells so green. I gotta put in the strainer cloth. Now we squeeze all the juice from the leaf out. So this is the Pennywort juice that we just extract from the leaf. With all the green, so healthy. I don't use sugar. What I use right now is stevia extract, organic, to replace the sugar. Yeah, this is the second pack that I put in of stevia extract. So stir it a little bit, and now you have the Pennywort juice ready to consume. Let me try. It tastes delicious. Yeah, you don't have to use sugar, just use the stevia. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon.